Okay, I got a bunch of samples coming from Texas, and we noticed that where it crimps, there's a little bit of shearing factor. That means these two are not parallel. Let me show you the one that's nicely crimped. This is from Indiana. The important thing you look at, the shape of the bow tie has to be symmetrical. And right here, these two has to be flushed. That means the jaw coming from both sides, it's in parallel, it's in sync. But when you're looking at the Texas, and there's many of them, this one didn't break, but it wasn't parallel. Looking right here, one side is sticking out more than the other, so that means it's being crimped in this way, not crimped in this way. And that's what we're seeing right here. And this one just completely broke. And again, there's also the shear. And there, we can go on and on about this. This one, again, it's being sheared. The one side sticking out farther than the other. This one also being sheared. As you can see, the bow tie. One is rounded, the other one's completely flat and rectangular. So that means it's not symmetric to begin with, and not to mention the shear factor. So in conclusion, that we think the tool needs to be resurfaced where the jaws or where the bearings are, where the piston pushes the bearing and the bearing opens up and create the crimping. Somewhere there's a problem. Now, we try to recreate that in Indiana without knowing the problem. And we try to feed it, crook it, and see if that will do it. But because the jaw is in parallel, so it will try to self-correct. But you can still see on the very next video that you will see the partial break. So this parallel thing, and because the jaw in Texas, and I'm assuming that's what it is, it's already internally not parallel. So that pressure is so huge that it will break the stainless. Now the question is, how come Oedeker doesn't break? Well, I must say, maybe they have a bigger stainless steel, they heated treated better. So that's the way I see it. That's my conclusion. I'm sending the same video to Asia, have them check it out. So more importantly, Steve will go to Monday to Texas and try to figure this out on Tuesday morning. And then I will include the next video that shows how we manually try to create this unparalleled crimping process, and there was a partial tear. Thanks.
There you go. Still playing, didn't it?
It did, yeah.
Cut it though.
It did. So that was at an angle.
That's
Did you see that? Did you get the